explain. So today's video is going to be sort of a day in my life vlog type of video. So as you just saw, I just got ready. I used the entire Pacino's lineup. So their shampoo, conditioner, their face and beard scrub, and their cream, which is sort of a natural shine, medium to light hold product to give my hair that natural kind of look. So now I'm going to enjoy this coffee while watching The Office, and then I'm going to go to class. I have one more class today, and after that, who knows? Let's go. Okay, so before I go to class real quick, I want to talk to you guys about Pacino's. Now, I have been saying that name wrong the entire time. Hold on, let me put this down. It's really great coffee, I promise. Like, you would totally understand if you could be here to taste this coffee with me. But I'm sorry, I need to take a couple more sips. Hold on. Okay, so Pacino's. If you don't know who they are already, you need to know. Pacino's is a men's grooming company. I don't know where they're based out of. However, what I do know is that their stuff is incredible. You can get it online, and you can get it at some select styling salons, but you can also get it at Target, which is like the best thing ever. A little bit of a backstory. I'm sure you have seen it, just like I have. Pacino's is being advertised all over social media, like literally everywhere. Every hair page on Instagram has talked about them. Every hair page on Facebook has talked about them. Forums and Reddit pages all about Pacino's, and literally the barbershops are raving over this. People are raving over this, and I'm surprised that there's not more content out on social media and on platforms like YouTube about them, because they are literally incredible. So let me give a huge shout out to Pacino's for sending me their entire lineup to try and show for you guys. Thank you guys so much. I am unbelievably blessed. Thank you so much. I love all of their products, and I didn't get to use all of them in this video, but I will be definitely showing you the rest of their lineup in the future for sure. But today we're going to talk about a few of their products specifically. Just to quickly go over everything that Pacino's offers. They offer shampoo and conditioner, face and beard scrub, shave gel, beard oil, a black mask blackhead remover, a cream hair product, a matte hair product, and a pomade hair product. So they sent me the entire lineup. In today's video, I did specifically use the shampoo, conditioner, the beard and face scrub, and the Pacino's cream, because that's just how I wanted to style my hair today. So I'm going to go over each of the products that you saw me use in a little bit more depth. As far as the shampoo and conditioner goes, it is a shampoo and conditioner combo. So you don't have to worry about using a shampoo and then using a conditioner on your hair. It's all in one package. So for us guys, you know we don't want to have to do two things. If we can do two things at once, that is way better, and that's why the shampoo and conditioner combo works really well. And plus, my hair and most guys' hair isn't going to be much longer than this, and when it's not much longer than this, you don't need to use a separate shampoo and conditioner. A combo situation will most of the time get the job done for you. How well does the shampoo and conditioner work? I think it works fantastically well. I've used it to wash out products in my hair that are much thicker waxes and clays that tend to stick around in your hair follicles for a really long time, and it seems to do a really good job of stripping those products out and leaving my hair feeling really fresh and light. Now, the smell is pretty mild. The smell isn't very strong at all. It sort of has a minty smell to it, which is what I like. It makes me feel fresh, and it actually kind of has a cooling effect on your head when you wash it in your hair, and I freaking love that. That's awesome, especially because it makes your hair follicles kind of wake up, especially when you use it in the morning time. That just feels really good to wash your hair with it, and it is an absolutely great shampoo and conditioner combo. Now let's move on to the face and beard scrub. I have only used a beard scrub a couple of times in the past. So this is my first time having a dedicated face and beard scrub together. So I was really curious to see how it was going to treat my beard, and also how it was going to feel on my face, because I actually have kind of sensitive skin. I can't use really harsh facial cleansers, and I was kind of worried that it might irritate my skin a little bit, but it did not do that at all. It was absolutely fine. And when I looked at the packaging and the ingredients on the beard and face scrub, it had aloe in it, and it also had tea tree extract. So the tea tree extract is going to open up your pores, and the aloe is going to add back moisture that would be depleted from normally using one of those really harsh face scrubs. And it's also exfoliating, so it's going to get down in the pores and get all the dirt that's in your face and in the pores of your skin out. When I used it, it literally opened up my face so much. It again had that minty kind of feeling to it. I'm assuming it's the tea tree oil in it that's doing that. And it just made my beard so soft. Like, it was unreal how soft and fluffy my beard felt after using the beard scrub. It felt better and more alive than it's felt in a really long time. Yeah, so overall, the beard and face scrub, absolutely phenomenal product. I would highly suggest it, even if you have a short beard, a little bit of stubble, or a full grown beard, because that stuff is just absolutely awesome. Now let's talk about the hair products. Today I did use the cream, and I've used the matte in the past, but I wanted to try out the cream because I had never tried it before. But the cream is a little bit different than the matte. The cream has a natural shine with a medium to light hold. So as you can see, my hair does have a sort of a natural shine in it right now from the product that we put in earlier. It has a medium to light hold, so I can still play with it. It's still got a little bit of volume. Like, I can fix it up now and make it look really tight like this, or I could just loosen it up like that and make it a lot more messy looking. So it's really great for that playful type of hair if you want that. And it doesn't feel greasy in my hair. It doesn't feel gross in my hair. It emulsifies and applies to my hair effortlessly. I did run a comb through it, and I applied from the back of my hair just so that the front wouldn't look really greasy, and then just run a comb through it to make sure it's evenly distributed. And then I just ran the hair dryer through it like normal, added a lot of volume to my hair, ran through it with the cooling setting, and it just stiffened right up, and it's felt really good so far. Overall, Pacino's is a phenomenal brand, and they're bringing you men's grooming and hair products that are absolutely incredible for the best prices. If you want to check out Pacino's products, I will link them for you in the description. I highly recommend it. Their stuff is absolutely amazing, and I cannot say enough good things about it. Pacino's, thank you guys so much for sending out all this awesome stuff. I cannot even begin to express my gratitude towards you guys. Thank you so much. Now I'm running really late for class. I have got to go. Alright, I'm out of class. Finally. Okay, before I go home, I am gonna take some cool pictures because I gotta post on the gram, you know? Gotta post some outfits, and maybe I'll fly the drone a little bit. Time to go. Look at that sky. Oh my God. I'm tired. What a day. But it's not over yet. Now is the time when I normally go to the gym. You guys want to go? You want to go to the gym? I might go. I'm gonna get changed and go. Are you gonna be here when I come back? Okay. Alright. Guys! You didn't come to the gym. I thought you were gonna come with me. Man, I really thought y'all were gonna come, but you didn't come. I'm low-key disappointed in you. But it's okay. It's alright. I don't blame you. Next time you're coming with me. But a quick testimony to show you how great Pacino's products actually are. Look at my hair. I just went to the gym. I just did cardio. I just did weights. So I ran. I did HIT training, which involves a lot of jumping and moving. And I also lifted weights. And my hair is still holding up strong. Like, I still have a lot of hold and a lot of volume in my hair after sweating and being disgusting and gross. Like, my hair is still holding up with this product in it. So that's just a testimony of how effective Pacino's products actually are and how great they are in your hair. Alright guys, and that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below and you can see when I post a video next. Join the family because we have huge things coming to this channel in 2018, and if you hit that subscribe button, then you can be a part of it too. Also, give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it, and drop your comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys later. I'm out.